Hi, Jill with Tip Tuesday for you, coming to you from my car. Let's talk about body acne. Let's talk about what causes it. Number one, it's hereditary, but number two, it can be irritated by certain things that you're doing on your body and putting in your hair. So anything you're putting in your hair and on your body should be looked at in order to control your body acne. So for instance, acne is hereditary, so you have body acne because someone in your family did, or someone in your bloodline did at some given point in time. So you can't cure it, but you can get it under control. And the point I want to make here is that body acne is actually can be made worse by sweat, by diet, and by what you're washing your hair in. Because think about it, everything runs down your back, or chest acne. So think about that. So my tip today is that watch out for cleansers that have pore cloggers in them. Watch out for shampoos, conditioners, and styling products that have pore cloggers in them. And wipe off, if you get sweaty, wipe off with a toner after the gym. You don't have to overwash your skin or overwash your body acne. If you need help with your body acne, we actually have a body acne kit that you can purchase and do it all by yourself, or you can come into the office. Love to see you guys. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you soon.